Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can move or migrate files from one of your Google Drive account to another, and I am going to show you how you can do it for a single file or multiple files. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end because there is one important setting that you need to enable to do this correctly. Anyways, let's start the video. Here I am on my Windows machine, and first of all guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to it and enable the bell notification so that you get notified for the latest upcoming videos. So first of all, you're going to open any browser and you're going to log into your first Google Drive account. For now I'm going to show you how you can move a single file, and then I will show you how you can move multiple files because the process is a little different. So here I have a to share folder in my Google Drive, and here it contains a zip file which I want to move to another Google Drive account, mainly because it is consuming a lot of storage. So the difference between sharing and moving a file is that when you share a file, you are the owner of the file and it is consuming storage on your Google Drive account. But when you move it, then the storage size is reduced on your Google Drive account and consumed on the other Google Drive account, and there is a particular way to do it correctly. So let's assume that I want to move this file to another account. So you're going to click on the three dots on the file, click on share, share again, and the first option that you need to make sure that if the file is being shared with anyone else, you need to remove their access, otherwise the file will not be moved. So we're going to remove their access for now, and from the second account we can re-grant them the access. Once this is done, click on save. After that, click on the three dots again, go to share, share again, and here enter the email ID of your second Google Drive account on which you want the files to be moved. Once you have entered, click on send. Make sure editor is selected, and once access is updated, click on these three dots again, go to share, share again, and here you're going to see your second Google Drive account. You can see it says editor. Click on editor, click on transfer ownership, and click on send invitation. So basically by ownership we mean that we want to move this file to the other account and storage should be freed from this particular Google account. Click on done. Now we're going to log into our second Google Drive account. On your second Google account, open the Gmail, click on the invitation link that you have received. Here it says Wasay Tech Tips invited you to own an item. So we're going to click on accept, and it's going to show you the file name as well. You can see it says you have accepted ownership of this file. I'm going to open my drive, and here you can see the file is now showing in my Google Drive of the second account. Now in order to completely own the file, click on these three dots of the file that you just accepted, go to share, share again. It's going to show you your first Google account. Click on editor and click on remove access and click on save. If I go to my first Google account, refresh it, you can see that now 936.5 MB is consumed, whereas before it consumed 4 point something GBs. So it's going to show you the file, but it is showing a lock icon because you do not have ownership of this file. So you can just simply click on move to bin on your first Google Drive account. Now I'm going to show you how you can move multiple files. Here I have these three pictures which I want to move to my second Google account, so they can be pictures or any other file. Now in order to move multiple files, you cannot add them in a single folder and share the folder. I have tried this option but it does not work. The files are moved but the files are still consuming storage on both of your Google accounts. So sharing files via one folder is not possible as of now. So in order to share multiple files, you have to select all the files that you want to share, double click on them or click on the three dots, go to share, click on share again. And again, if the files are shared with someone else, first remove their access. For me, there's no one sharing these files, so I'm going to enter my second Google Drive account. I'm going to make sure editor is selected, click on send. Once that is done, make sure that all the files are selected that you want to share. Again, right click on it, go to share, share again. The same process from here. It's going to show you your second Gmail account. Click on editor, make sure to select transfer ownership, send invitation, Now we're going to open the Gmail on our second Google account. On Gmail, open the invitation link, and here the invitation link is going to be different. You can see Wasay Tech Tips invited you to on these items. So we're going to click on respond button instead of just clicking on accept. It's going to open Google Drive, and from here we're going to select the files that we want to own. I'm going to select all of these 3 files. After that, again right click on it, share again, make sure all the files are selected. Here it says accept ownership, click on the button, click on accept, and you can see you are now the owner. And also it's going to show you your first Google Drive account. Click on editor and click on remove access, click on save. So now all of these files are moved from your first Google Drive account to your second. And yes guys, I know this process is quite tricky, but for some reason Google Drive does not have a simple way to do so. But in this way you can move one file or multiple files from your one Google Drive account to another. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.